So welcome to our highlights package here from Windhoek Gymnasium's Lions Den for this NSSR Under 19 Premier League match between King Price Windhoek Gymnasium and Samsung Windhoek High School Kudu Bulls. So a first half that took some time to get going. It was a Windhoek Gymnasium with their famed line-out drive. They went over the line there, but they were held up as ruled there by referee Zaid Isaks. So a bit of a relief for Windhoek High School. They did much better in all departments in this match than in the Inter High that they lost 2 weekends before this. So Pieter Stefan Stassen with a great break there, number 13, and an excellent cover tackle by number 9 of Windhoek High School, Dominic Isaks, to save a certain try there. Also strong in defense in midfield against the prop there, Gert Pretorius for Gymnasium. The first kick of the match for JD Jankovic, only after about half an hour's play. The first chance for Gymnasium that they missed, and then McRain van Wyk for Windhoek High School that succeeded with his kick. And then it became 3-3 after about half an hour's play. And then right from the kickoff, Windhoek High School that won the ball back. William Bekes that sent Ethan Sinden away, and then the try scorer in the corner, Luke Sal. Nice finish there, excellent. First try for VIS, not converted by their fly-off McRain van Wyk. And then just before halftime, another excellent kick from McRain van Wyk from the 10-meter line at an angle to make put them ahead by 11 points to 3. Not many people that would have expected the score at that stage. It was Windhoek Gymnasium that went back on the attack, and just the last final pass that was adjusted to be forward by adjudged to be forward by referee Zaid Isaks. A penalty by JD Jankovic for Gymnasium that brought them to within striking range at 11 points to 6. Yeah, the captain of Windhoek Gymnasium, Vincent Scholes, got up from that injury. He played on and he finished the match. Yeah, the runners of Windhoek High School that showed how dangerous they can be. It was the fly-off of Gymnasium that created this break for center Pieter Stefan Stassen. He went on the outside, took on Luke Sal, and then unfortunately that opportunity that went begging for Windhoek Gymnasium. Windhoek Gymnasium, they stayed on the attack. They kept hammering away at that deficit. That was 5 points at this stage of the match. And then they built up to go and score this try. Evan Dreyer, the scrum half, JD Jankovic sending Vincent Scholes away to score the only try of the match for Windhoek Gymnasium. Nice try, rounded off there by Gymnasium, unconverted by JD Jankovic. And then one last strike by Windhoek High School. William Bekes with a cross kick into the 22. That was converted by number 23 off the bench, Stephen van Wyk, that scored the winning try of the match there for Windhoek High School. One or two more opportunities in the time remaining for Windhoek Gymnasium, number 21 with a nice break there, Evan Dreyer. And let's hear from the captains.
Ek dink Ik denk dat dit alles gebeur in die eerste helfte. Ons het 'n bietjie vergeet hoe ons structures werk. Ons het nie gestiek met ons structures en met dit het hulle gecapitalize op ons foute en so aan en daar dit die foute begin, maar ek meen daar's altyd room for improvement.
Is definitief, julle is die eerste game van die toernooi, so dit beteken nog niks, daar's nog klomp games om te speel. Dat julle moet nog away gaan na die ONC toe, maar waar voel jy next game, waar voel jy kan julle nog 'n bietjie beter saamtrek as 'n span?
Ek dink veral vandag die key point wat bietjie fout gegaan het was die lynstaande. Dis altyd ons lynstaande is altyd goed. Vandag het dit so 'n bietjie skeef gegaan, so ek dink ons moet daarop werk en so aan. Ja, ek dink dis die belangrikste op die oomblik.
Reg, geluk met die game.
Dankie.
Okay, ons gesels met V.S. Kudu, se kaptein. Vertel my 'n bietjie, 'n tawwe wedstryd gewees teen Windhoek by Inter hoor. Julle het die game verloor. Vertel my, toe julle by die game kom, het julle daai gedagte gehad om te sê ons het teen die manne verloor, ons het 'n punt om te bewys of wat was die coach se instruction voor julle opgestap het in die veld?
Ja, kyk, van die begin af ons het geweet. Ons het gewerk vir hierdie liga game, die eerste liga game. En ons het geweet nadat ons verloor het Inter hoor, ons sal moet harder werk. En ons het hier gekom, alles uitgehaal, gedoen wat ons gesê is om te doen. Er was 'n bietjie foute, maar ons het nog steeds geëxecute wat ons wou. Ja.
En hoe trots is jy op jou span? I mean, almal klomp mense het doubts gehad in julle na die wedstryd teen Windhoek in Inter hoor. Toe dink almal okay, die champions gaan bietjie fumble hierdie jaar, maar julle het opgedag as die champions van die Superliga. So wat beteken dit vir julle?
Ja, kyk, is 'n reg om so te kan kom, 'n voorreg eintlik, 'n voorreg om so te kan kom speel en te kan kom wen. Ons het geweet ons het doubt, mense wat ons doubt, maar ons het nog steeds ons kop gehou, ons het geweet wat ons job is en van hier af gaan ons na die next job toe.
Dan geluk met die wen. Cool.